We'll guide you through how to get donation buttons in Please Donate Roblox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're playing the Please Donate game, and when you go and look at other people's stands, you can see they've got these buttons here to go and get donations. But if you come up to a stand here, we'll go and hold E to go and claim it, you go and see I don't have any buttons here, and I want to go and get them so I can start getting donations. So we'll guide you through this step by step. So to go and do this, we actually need to come out of the Roblox game itself. So we need to come and quit it. So let me just come and close it out of it like so. Now what you want to do is come to the Roblox site. So you can come to roblox.com in a web browser. Now you need to go to the top, and there you can go and find the option for create, and you need to go and click there. If you end up on a different web page or site to me, what you want to do is go and make sure you're on create.roblox.com. Here we are. Then you need to come over to the left into creations. And in creations, you need to press experiences and then my experiences. And by default, everybody's going to have a place here, and it's going to be called their name and then place. So here mine is here. Go and click on it like so, and you can go and see some info about it. But what you need to do is come over to the left and go and scroll down into monetization. And here you can go and press passes like so. Now what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down, and you'll go and find the option for create a pass. So just to give some context here, in order to go and get donation buttons on Roblox, you need to be selling something. So what we can do is go and create a pass and go and put it on sale, and then it'll go and be appearing in Please Donate. And we'll guide you through this step by step. So go and press create a pass like this. And at the top here, you can have the option to go and add an image if you want to. I'm not going to. Then we can go and give it a name. Name it what you want. People can go and see what it's called. So you can go and name it something interesting or cool, whatever you want really. Just make sure it's within the rules. And then you can go and add a description if you want to, but you don't need to. Then you can go and press create pass. So the pass has now been made, but not yet is it going to be showing up in Please Donate. What we now need to do is go and put it on sale. So you need to go and click on the pass in this list here, and you want to go over to the left, and you can find the option for sales, and you can then go and switch on item for sale, and you can go and type in the price here. The price is then going to be the amount of the donation and what appears on the stand. So let's go and say I wanted a 15 Robux donation. I could go and type that in like so, and now that's it. It's important to note you only keep 70% of this due to the Roblox tax. So therefore I would go and lose around 5 Robux, maybe a bit or less. Then what you can do is go and press save changes, and there it is. It's now been updated successfully. So that button is now going to be appearing on my stand. What you can do though is go and press the back button in the top left, and you can go and create more passes and put them on sale, and they'll then go and appear on your stand. So now just to go and show you this is working, we can come and return to Please Donate. I'll come back to roblox.com. Here's Please Donate. I'll go and click on it. Then what we can do is go and press play, and you can wait for it to go and launch. Here we are in Please Donate. So once again, what you can do is you need to go and find an unclaimed stand. And then what we can do is we can go and claim it. And on there, we should go and see the donation button when added. So we go and hold E. And as you can see, there it is. We now have a donation button. This is called the Apple Pass, and that's it. As I said, you can go and make more by creating more passes and putting them on sale. And people can then come and donate. It's worth having a few different ones, just have the variations of pricing, as sometimes people may want to do a bigger donation, or they may want to do a small one. So a 15 Robux is pretty low, but you could go lower because sometimes people do just want to go and donate, 5 Robux, but sometimes they want to go and give more. So it's worth having some higher ones as well. So if you found this useful and want to see more useful Roblox guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more guides like this on the channel and more to come covering Roblox, Please Donate, and loads of different things on your computer.